Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a little bit different. This is definitely going to be a vlog, straight up a vlog of what's coming for ourselves, our home, our property, all the things. But first we have to start with a Saturday reset. We've got to get some things cleaned up and we got to get packing. And then I'm going to take you on a little road trip tomorrow. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do this together. Okay, so while I'm getting ready, I figured I would go ahead and just update you. So it is Monday. We are in Linden, Tennessee. Very, very small town and a very rich, historic little hotel. It is so cute. Today we are doing something super, super exciting. We are actually designing the floor plan to our home. Yeah, you heard that right. In Linden with a company called Quality Building Supply, or QBS. Throughout this series of building our home, you're going to hear me talk about QBS quite a lot, so go ahead and just get to know them. We are very excited. It is going to be a barndominium. It's going to be metal on metal, which means metal siding, metal roof. But today we're actually just going to sit down and design our entire floor plan from scratch with their design team, their engineers. And I can't wait. So I'm going to take you along as much as I can, as much as they'll allow through the process. And yeah, at the end, you'll be able to see the results and I can't wait. So let's go.